Take this trim off, use a trim tool, just get underneath here. And then this over here, you just pry these down and out. And if the wire's attached here, just slide the wire out of the way. Pop it off over here. Slide that wire off. There we go. Some of the clips pop out, but that's how they're installed. You can pop those out after. Pop the glass open. There's a little push pin right there. Just use a pick, push that in, and pop this out. Just like that. You can slide this up. That just has to slide over that bracket right there. And you can grab this piece right here and just pull it down. And slide that down. Take this cable off right here. There's a little retainer that attaches to that rod. If you have to, you can use a pick. Just get underneath it. So that pops off like that. And then the rod comes off. So there's the rod right there. Take this nut off, use a 10mm socket. And take these two nuts off, use the same 10mm socket. Over here as well. I'll slide this off. You can take the sockets out right here, just twist to the left, take those off, and slide the wiring harness off the brackets. And there it is. You're going to use some type of grinding tool to grind the end of this off. Now I'm going to use a punch and a hammer and just slide that through. You should be able to pull it right out. Slide it out like that. There is a spring on here and this lever. Slide the lever out just like that. Slide the spring out. Just be careful, you don't want this to spring off and hit you. Now we can grab the handle and it slides right out. Take the handle, slide it the same way the old one came out. We'll take the spring, it's going to slide in that position right there. You can push that down a little bit. Then this lever, you have to slide that tab underneath where the handle is. And then that's going to go just like that. Take the new rod, I'm going to slide that through. Make sure it goes through this bracket. There we go. And make sure it goes through the spring. With that all the way through, take this C-clip and we'll slide that on. This is a little easier with some needle nose pliers. Slide this clip on. Line it up. Just push it down. It looks good. You can test it. Make sure it works. Now we're going to reinstall the light sockets. Slide those in, twist to the right, re-secure the wiring harness. push down on that, have this open before you close it. Slide this in. There's a couple push pins on the sides. You want to just give those a push. Oops, once this is lined up. That's good. Just to make sure you don't forget, hook up the lock rod first. Line that up with the clip. Slide it in position and push it down. That's good. Now we can put the nuts on. Put the nut right here. Get that one started. And the other 4. And we'll tighten those down. Push this button, open up the lift glass very carefully. We're going to try to line this up so that this piece goes over that bracket. Hopefully the glass doesn't close. All right, that's over there. And line the cover up. Just give it a tap. Make sure this lines up. It's good. Take that push pin, line that up, and push it in. Now we can close that. And line this up. You're gonna have the wires go through here before you pinch it on or push it down. Just like that. Give it a tap. Line these up on the side. Tap it down.